Hey, it's Rachel here with WTI, and I love mixing my own tea flavors using loose leaf teas. There's so many great health benefits from tea. This loose leaf tea is by Organic Way, and it is a mullein leaf. So this is what the actual mullein leaf dried looks like. It's excellent quality. It's organic, which is really important. I personally like using loose leaf because I don't have to use a tea bag with it. And I find it's really good quality. Sometimes I'll mix it with other leaves as well. What I'll do is I'll put boiling water over top. I'll let it steep for about 10 minutes. And I find the flavor, it's not strong at all. It has maybe kind of a nutty flavor. You can put some honey with it. And mullein leaf is really great for your health. So it doesn't just have a nice flavor, but it's excellent for the respiratory system. So if you're looking for mullein leaf and you're looking for it in a loose leaf, maybe to make a tea, I'd highly recommend Organic Way. I think it's a great product, and that's my point of view.